What is going on, Shiba Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. Today, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu and why I believe that it is presenting a really big buying opportunity as we saw the overall market correct. Now, remember, I always like to preface by saying that I am not a financial advisor, but rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in, and you guys know SHIB is one of my favorite assets in the market. And as Warren Buffett says, when there's a lot of fear in the market, and we saw that Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index showing extreme fear, that is the time for investors to start getting greedy. Now, before we dive into the Shiba Inu chart, I want to mention a special project that I'm going to be approaching and working on here very, very soon. You guys, the ones especially who came in early, joined this journey, maybe very, very early on, you guys know the initiation, pursuit of purpose. Your pursuit of purpose was the vision behind YourPOP. And initially, it started out as a podcast. I was doing interviews with underrepresented minorities here in my city, but now I'm deciding to bring that back in a new channel. And guess what? For those of you who want to take part of that, it's going to be specifically geared to talk about different things within the financial space. Specifically, what I'm going to be doing from my own perspective is starting a brand new real estate portfolio from scratch. So if you guys want to be a part of that journey of me talking about the ups and the downs, talking about everything from contractors, making the mistakes, interviewing people who are successful in the financial space, whether it's through investing, whether it's through crypto, it doesn't matter. I just want to start getting those stories, bringing them in. And I want to find also the Shiba Inu millionaires, people who were able to buy in early, interview them and see how they're doing today. So right behind me here on the channel, YourPOP Cast is what I decided to call it. YourPOP Cast. So the YourPOP Cast will be going live very, very soon. Currently building out the studio, which should be done shortly. And I'm going to probably plan to record between 1 to 3 episodes per week, every single week, interviewing people that are within the Shiba Army, interviewing people, developers, whatever it might be, just to bring in new knowledge into the space of the financial niche in the form of a podcast. So if you want to be an early subscriber, the only subscriber I have so far is my wife. So big shout out to her. Consider subscribing. The link is in the description below right at the very top. Now let's go ahead and dive in to Shiba Inu's price action. So let's make my screen a little smaller. I'm on TradingView here. And what we're going to look at is the chart, the basic chart. Nothing too complicated, nothing too technical, except the only indicator that we're going to look at today is the relative strength index. Currently, we're sitting at an RSI of right around 36. Remember, anything below 30 is oversold. That means that asset is oversold. Too many people are selling, which is at a point where maybe it's presenting a buying opportunity, and anything over 70 is considered overbought. It's too expensive. Maybe lay low, lay off before deciding to jump in. So you guys could see the times that we see in RSI over 70, SHIB was at all-time highs. And then previously, when it extends or has a significant rally in a short period of time, we tend to see the RSI go over 70. Now, why am I thinking that SHIB is presenting a good buying opportunity? Look at the line across the screen. At 28,000 Satoshi units, where was SHIB prior to the significant run that we saw in the end of October? It was right around 27 to 28,000 Satoshis for the span of a few weeks. Followed by a rally, we saw the sell-off, and it's held strong right above 28,000 Satoshis. Shiba Inu is finding comfort. It's finding a really solid support line of individual investors holding their bags, meaning people now are starting to say SHIB might have a new floor of 28,000 Satoshis. With all the catalysts that are to come, especially here in 2022, what we need to focus on, folks, Shiba Army, I'm asking you guys to pay attention and focus on the catalysts that are coming. The Shiboshi game, Shibarium, Shiba Swap 2.0, all of the positive catalysts that are coming our way, make sure you pay attention to those things. If you want to buy an asset that's discounted or at a very strong support line, look at the technical analysis. We've touched 28,000 once before. We've touched it a second time and a third. We are actually now on the fourth touch, meaning that, guys, we have found a very, very strong level of support. So if you're interested in SHIB, like what you've been seeing about the ecosystem and didn't fall for the FOMO back in the end of October, beginning of November, well, guess what? It's presenting a buying opportunity, and this is when you should start considering increasing your position or establishing a position if you're interested. Now remember, I can't tell you whether to buy, sell, or hold, but for me, this is a time where I increase my position sizes in tokens at forms of consolidation. But right now, again, it's just been accumulating, waiting for that next catalyst before we see this thing bump up. Now, hopefully, as the overall market recovers, Shiba Inu will do the exact same. Guys, again, I can't thank you enough for allowing me all the opportunities here on the YouTube space. So again, one last time, the YourPOP cast will be going live very, very soon. So consider being amongst the first subscribers. We're going to do something special for the first bunch. So again, make sure you smash that like button if you haven't already and consider subscribing to the channel. There's a link in the description below for the YourPOP cast, and also get your 5 free stocks while you're down there in the description with Moomoo. Also, they're offering 1 free stock of AMC guaranteed when you deposit $100 into your account, and in addition, get your free stocks. All of that is in the disclaimer, which is going to be in the description. I appreciate you guys, and until next time, everybody, from the Shiba Army, much salute as always, and until next time then, keep investing. Peace.